When I create my videos and music, I use a lot of weird and haunting sounds. Most of them I make myself with my voice. I imitate birds and wolves and so on. I also record a lot of natural sounds like water and wind, and I do that in nature. But some sounds are totally made by recording complete other things than what you would expect. I am going to show you what I do in this video. I often get a lot of comments on my sounds, and people say it is very relaxing. The thing is that this kind of sounds are very easy to make yourself, and I will show you how to do it. Alright, so we are doing this weird thing. I got some questions about how I create my sounds, where I record them, and the answer is that many of the sounds I actually just create by making noises with things that I have at home. Then I put different filters on them and make them sound the way I like it. I use a lot of this hair mousse, hair, volume mousse. Is that what you call it? Yes. Hand cream. This teacup I use to create garlic sounds. Stuff from nature. Bowl. I use different fabrics to create deep sounds and, well, yeah, plastic also, of course. So now let's get down and make a little song or something relaxing. All right, let's go. So that is how I create my sounds. It's very weird, but it works. And it's kind of nice. And it's fun. So if you want to try something, I could recommend just to walk around and tap on things. See how it sounds. And then record it and then put it in, for example, GarageBand, and then play around with the different effects and layers and see if you can create something weird and odd and beautiful. I add a lot of reverb to everything because I like that very ambient style. But you don't have to do that. If you wanted to sound more close to the microphone, you can skip the reverb and you will have this very crispy sound to the noises. It's really nice. A lot of people like that. It tingles in their brains when you do something with plastic or some things like that. So yeah, this is kind of fun. Fun hobby, even though it's very weird.